Hi, I'm Dr. Dabbs. I have some exercises for you to do at home that'll help your back out immensely. We're going to demonstrate today how to do exercises for every morning if you have lower back pain. And you do these in sequence. It takes maybe 15-20 minutes. I like to strengthen the tensofacial muscle. And that one is done by lying on your side again and lifting the right leg up while lying on your left side. And for those who are adventurous, you can try lifting the left leg up to match the right leg. That's really hard to do, so if you can't do it, I understand. So that will get the adductor, abductor muscles of the hip, and it'll get the back muscles. You hold that as long as you can, and then you come back down. Next one, lie on your back, and you pull the right knee to your chest. And then I pull the other knee in, and again, each stretch is around 15 to 30 seconds. You hold that. And I mean, you can pull hard too to really round that back out. I have the right leg down and I hold the left leg. And once that's done, I bend the knees. So I put them both on the ground, or you can lift the knees up. Either way, if you lift the knees up, you do a crunch. And the best way I like to do a crunch is put my hands behind my head, just to cradle my neck and just come up about 10 degrees or so to 30 degrees and hold it. I don't go up and down, I hold it. This is a static contraction exercise. One 30-second hold is equal to 3 sets of 12 of weightlifting. So this is much faster, easier, and it builds endurance strength when you do static contraction rather than just strength while you're doing the exercise. If you have any questions about these exercises, don't hesitate to contact us below.